We checked our schedule and we had a hike on the Makapu'u Point Trail. Our friends Nathan and Beth handled our itinerary, and this hike was another win on the See Oahu list. We drove to Nathan and Beth's place, then they drove us to the trailhead. We stopped at a few scenic view outposts on the way, but soon we were at the trailhead. We made it to the trailhead. This 2.5-mile out and back trail near Waimanalo, Oahu, generally considered a moderately challenging route, it takes an average of 1 hour and 23 minutes to complete. This is a very popular area for hiking and walking, so you need to arrive early. You'll likely encounter other people while exploring. The trail is open year-round and is beautiful to visit anytime. Dogs are welcome, but they must be on a leash. This trail is an excellent place to view migrating humpback whales in season. That season is between November and May. Binoculars are suggested for viewing the whales and seabirds. An interpretive sign and viewing scope along the trail help you view and identify the whales seen in this location. This portion of the island tends to be hot and dry, and the vegetation includes low-growing kiawe and panini cactus. The trail is exposed and is usually sunny and hot. It can be very windy at the summit. I know, my hat blew off. A hat, sunscreen, and plenty of water are recommended.
of it is difficult to sell to because you gotta.
If you're feeling okay, then we can keep going. You want to try that? Yeah. Okay. We'll go a little bit further, okay? And then we'll turn
You
back
can
around.
totally do this. Don't let me down. Ugh.
Maybe that.
Oh, I left this strawberry. It's frozen.
I see it! I found it! I found it! I see one! See you, Ryan? Yes! Inside Tesco. I see it! Oh! Yes! I see it! I find no wheels on that. No wheels.
Here, stand there. I got a picture of you. Right there. Make sure your hat doesn't blow off. Oh, you got it looped on. That's good.
Sorry. There's something in there.
Okay, ready? Okay, wait, one more. Yeah. I get a picture of that.
Whoa!
It's my bad ankle. Yeah, I just had that bad ankle, so not paying attention, it rolls.
this is the counterpoint to the clock we saw, the new one of Polly talking about the B-17 that crashed. And said that there were 2 crashes within 10 miles of each other.
Wow, 14, 19. Oh, 9.
Well, it's hard to fly at night in a storm. My dad was flying we had a Cherokee, Piper Cherokee, and he was flying that over the mountains from a bowling tournament, either heading east or heading west. And Mom was in there with them, and as they were flying, to get across, you just follow I-90, kind of up high. And all of a sudden, the wind hit, and boom, they're upside down. And Mom thought they were going to die. Dad just started laughing, flicked it right around, went down lower so he could see the highway, and just was like nothing. These, they're great dogs. Devil dogs.
Hoorah!